Hello and welcome to WebJek. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to backup, migrate, clone or copy your WordPress website to another domain with very few clicks. Also, you can move your website to another host using a free plugin called All-in-One WP Migration. I will go through step by step in detail, so please watch this video to the end and please consider subscribing if you are new to this channel. All-in-One WP Migration is a free plugin and it does an excellent job. Let's get started. So now I logged in to WordPress dashboard on pcgameweb.com and we're going to add plugin. Hover over, add new, type all-in-one migration. Click to install now. Click to activate. Now we have activated all-in-one WP migration plugin. And then we can use export, import or backup. So we are going to do backup. Click on backup. Now click on create a backup. Now before we make a backup, it is good practice to make a folder pcgameweb.com. This is the folder we are going to download our backup. Click on File, now we can download to our computer. I have made a folder, click on, and this download going to that folder. Now download completed, so we can close. This is a backup file that I just made it and downloaded on this folder on my computer. So this backup can be used to backup original site or clone it to another domain. So now we are going to clone this pcgameweb.com to web4deal.com. Has nothing on, just the default WordPress installed on it. So I'm going to dashboard, hover over, add new plugin, all-in-one WP migration, click to install, click to activate. Now we got all-in-one WP migration plugin has been installed on this domain. So we need to import that file to make a clone. Click on import. Now this is the maximum upload file size is just 64 megabyte, and our file is larger than 64 megabyte. So we need to add another extension domain that we can click here to get on this page right here, and if you want to have a premium, that is $69 for lifetime service. So then if you pay $69, the backup will be unlimited size of your file. Support as a free version has limited, this one has unlimited. Exclude file, catch file, inactive plugins, inactive themes, everything included in paid version. Restore backup from server included. WebCLI has been included, but we are going to use just the free version, and that can do it for us. So we are downloading this. That's the same folder, is all-in-one WP migration file extension. So we go back, web4deal.com, and using the plugin, add new, upload plugin, choose a file. This is the we just downloaded, all-in-one WP migration file extension. Click on install now. Activate. So this plugin has been activated, all-in-one WP migration file extension. Now we go back to our import. That was 64 megabyte only. Now it went up to 512 megabyte. Now we can import our file that we just made it. pcgameweb.com right here. It's importing now. It will take time, depends on your server or file size. Now we read this import. This is warning. This import will override your website, including the database, media, plugin, and themes. Please ensure that you have a backup of your data before proceeding to the next step. Now, this is site, we don't have anything on it, so we don't worry about that. So just click on proceed. Now, your data has been imported successfully. You need to perform more steps. You must save permalink structure, permalink setting for twice right here. So we click on it, it will log us. Now click on update WordPress database. Continue. So we're gonna use the same credential was using for pcgameweb.com. So we copy, paste, So we use the pcgame.com login credential because this web4deal.com no longer itself. This is pcgameweb.com login credential we gotta use. So now we click on permalink. Always use the post name. Post name, sample post is the best one. Click save change. Click on save change again. Now we go to the website web4deal.com. Before it has nothing, just default WordPress site. Now we can refresh it. Now web4deal.com is the same exact copy of pcgameweb.com. Everything is same. Home, blog page, contact, game war, blog page, contact, this is a blog page, same exact copy of pcgameweb.com. So that's why we clone the website on another domain. Now we can make a backup if something goes wrong on this site. Original website, that's pcgameweb.com, like we're gonna mashed up like all pages. Click here, move to trash, apply. All post, click, move to trash, apply. Now we can refresh this site. Everything has been gone. So we can back up again using the same backup file. So we need to install that all-in-one extension plugin again, because this one has also just 64 megabyte upload size. So hover over on plugin, add new, upload plugin, choose file, all-in-one WP migration file extension. Click install now, activate, so this our pcgameweb.com has mashed up, so we are going to back up again. So click on import file, this is the file we just downloaded. This is the same process we had done to clone web4deal.com. The import process will override your website, including the database, media, plugins and themes, please ensure that you have a backup of your data before proceeding to the next step. We just had the backup, so just click on proceed. Same process, data has been successfully imported and we need to click permalink twice. We did not log out because here is the same login credential and we are already logged in. Click on Save Change. Click on Save Change again. Now this is pcgameweb.com was mashed up. Now we are going to refresh it. Everything has been backed up and same as normal. Home, blog page, contact, game war. This is a blog page. Contact page. Everything got same as normal. So we have done on this tutorial backup the file to the original website, plus we clone this website to the different domain. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope that this video is very helpful for you and you have got some better idea from this video tutorial. I sincerely wish you the best for your future project, and if you have any question, please feel free to ask in comments below. I will do my best to respond as soon as possible. To get some more video and internet marketing resources and tools to help on your project, then please visit my website webjet.com to get some more idea. I have done my best to provide this video tutorial to helpful to everyone. If you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification so you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video. Once again, wish you the best luck for all your future projects. See you later next time.